You want to test the voltage at a tube socket. You can try lifting the tube and ramming a probe underneath to touch a pin, but then the contact between the tube and the socket will be tenuous, and you still really don't know which pin you're touching, and you can't even reach the pins on the far side. Instead, use a test adapter and touch your probe to one of the terminals. But what happens if you want to measure current? Then you use this probe that has two conductors separated by an insulator. Stick it in between the contacts and you can get a current measurement. They were manufactured in octal, 7-pin miniature, and Noval, and 2 more sizes. Mine were made by Vector, but Pomona made a similar product. Finally, you may have some glass miniatures with bent pins. You can try using pliers to straighten them out, but you risk cracking the glass base. Been there, done that. Here's a better solution, a pin straightener. I've only seen them in 7 and 9 pins. And it's straightened. Please like and subscribe.